wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Child, talk about getting old, okay? Because I literally knew I have to film this video. So, start this process just so we can like start, at the step with the products. Tell me why I was literally this close to finishing my face off camera, like finishing the entire face off camera. Then I was like, now wait a minute. Child, if you want to know about these new NYX products, let's go. Okay, so I have here the new NYX, well, new-ish. These probably launched early summer, somewhere around there. These launched a little more recently. But this is the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer, and then this is the Buttermelt Blush. Got a request to try these out, and I want to try them anyway, just because like the buttermelt is gonna melt into your skin. But then I saw that they're coming out with a new like glue primer and glue setting spray, but I had already placed the order by the time I saw that, so I'll have to circle back on those. But let's start with the bronzer. I never be taking the stickers off ahead of time, and then I just be struggling in the video, wasting time. It smells good. But this is the Buttermelt Pressed Powder Natural Finish Bronzer. This comes in 8 shades. I picked it up in Do Butter. Okay, and this retails for $10. Gotta love drugstore pricing. NYX Professional Makeup Buttermelt Bronzer blends like a powder and glides like butter for a sun-soaked bronze with a natural finish and 12 hours of wear. The shade, I wanted a bronzer shade because they do have another shade, but that gives a little bit contour. At least the swatches online gave contour. So let's see. Okay. And when I have wigs, I don't be doing that much on my forehead because I already, cut my forehead down a little bit with the wigs. And the thing with bronzer, like you need to know bronzer placement for your forehead. Because if you already have a small forehead and then you put bronzer, like it's only gonna be that much and it's just gonna start looking crazy. If you got a big forehead, I don't mean it like that. Y'all know what I meant. You just gotta know the bronzer placement. So I don't be doing that much when I have wigs on because I already be trimming my forehead a little bit with wigs, but I do put a little bit over the lace just so it blends in even more with the lace. And mind you, I'm only doing like 2 dips because, start small, build up if you have to. And then these are the Buttermelt Pressed Powder Blushes. These retail for $10, come in 12 options. I got them in the shade Back in Butter, which is this one. And then Had Butter, which is this one. Discover Buttermelt Blush by NYX Professional Makeup. 12 shades of buttery smoothness that blend like powder, glide like butter in matte or glowy finishes. Oh, okay, I didn't pay attention to that when I was picking out the shades. Do they tell you which ones are shimmery? Okay, let me look up the ones I got. So, Back in Butter is a deep rosewood. I don't see anything about shimmer. Gotta sneeze. Had Butter just says hot orange. I don't see anything about shimmer. Okay, so I don't think either one that I got have shimmer. Let's see, am I gonna use both? Let's see. Look how pretty. Now NYX, y'all ain't got look how pretty that is. Excuse me. Focus on the blush, not me. Focus. Okay. And then the other one. Oh, they did that. They did that with these shades. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna use both. Okay, so That was one little dip. Okay. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with NYX. Excuse me. Nah, they ain't had no business. Excuse me. We're gonna make sure we really go ahead and blend that out because just the one dip. Okay. Mind you, I also have like drugstore foundation on. So I just, listen, do not sleep on drugstore, okay? And then I'm gonna dip the other one just like it. Just right on top. I know I'm awkwardly smiling at you, but like that's the smile you gotta make when you putting blush on, that you hit the right places. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my face. Y'all know I had to tone down the blush because I like blush, yes. But y'all know like makeup in general, I like very subtle. So, but it is very pigmented. So if you want to build it up, if you are the like blush straight across girly, it's gonna work for you. And I'm not surprised. I told y'all in the video where I did the full face of drugstore makeup that NYX is one of those brands I'm not worried when it comes to trying out new products. Like I will blind buy all of that just because very rarely am I let down. And this year, I'm trying to think what else. Oh, those concealer sticks from NYX, really good. I haven't had any issues with anything that I've tried from NYX this year. So if you were thinking of getting these, and hello, $10, $10. Go ahead and test it out. You most likely will not regret it. And the glue primer, setting spray, yeah, go ahead, add those to the cart. I did try the NYX glue, the brow glue for you. Absolutely. So if it's like that, but for primer and for setting spray, it's giving very much that your face is not going to move. And you know, like when you get your hair done, when you get your makeup done, or like you do it yourself, but it's just done, and then like you start filming all Instagram stories, you start making TikToks, you just want to look at yourself. That's how I'm feeling right now. Like I am staring very hard into this viewfinder while I'm talking to y'all because face is just, and again, I'm wearing the e.l.f. soft glow foundation, and then the NYX is the only other drugstore that I have on, but face today is facing. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you wanted to know about these Buttermelts, go ahead and get them, and let me know in the comments down below if there is anything else you guys would like a video on. I know Patrick Ta, that is coming. I was supposed to do a video comparing the soft glow from e.l.f. to Giorgio Armani to see if that's a dupe, so that is coming. And then there was something else, but I don't remember. So if you have anything else you'd like to see a video on, let me know in the comments down below. Your girl has gotten back onto rapidly getting these videos out. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.